Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Splitwise and Tricount. Splitwise and Tricount are both helpful apps for splitting bills, but they work a bit differently depending on what you need. Splitwise is simple and widely used. You just add your expenses, assign who paid, and it calculates how much everyone owes. It's great for ongoing expenses like rent, trips, or shared groceries. It also supports multiple currencies, payment links, and reminders. You can even link it with PayPal or Venmo in some regions to settle up easily. However, it may show more one-on-one balances, which can get confusing in large groups. Tricount is especially good for group travel or shared events. You create a Tricount, add all expenses, and it works out a simple way to settle up, often reducing the number of transactions. The interface is clean and it's very group-focused. It doesn't have as many integrations or features as Splitwise, but it does the job well, especially for short-term group uses. If you want an app for long-term expense tracking with more features, Splitwise is a better pick. But if you're managing a short trip or a one-time event, Tricount is simpler and may be more convenient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.